How to set up save the change on Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo Save the Change feature, part of a way to save or savings account, automatically rounds up debit card purchase to a nearest dollar and transfer the differences to savings. So what you want to do is to set up two-way way to save, or you just want to sign on to your Wells Fargo website. Select your checking account and set up transfer to new or existing way to save savings account. So basically what you want to do is actually log into your Wells Fargo account first of all, after which you want to go to the checking account and select a way to save or savings account and make a one-time purchase with your linked debit card. Complete a bill payment transaction through online banking and you can qualify the transaction and you will have successfully set up Save the Change on Wells Fargo mobile app. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.